everyone, this video is about drawing eyes, more specifically anime eyes. I'll break down step-by-step things you need to do to draw eye. So let's get started. First, draw a parallelogram for the basic eye structure. Once you've done that, draw upper and lower eyelashes. This will be the outer contour of our eye. Right after that, you want to draw this part here a bit darker and thicker because there are generally more eyelashes are there. That's why this is the overall darkest part of the eye. Doesn't matter what style the eye is drawn. Then draw iris inside the eye shape. Draw like a half circle for the iris, slightly towards the upper part of the eye, and it really depends on how wide open the eye is, on the style and emotions. Inside the iris, draw smaller circle. This is called pupil. Add some details in the iris. Here, I'm adding 3 tomoes because I'm drawing sharingan. Draw a curved line above the eye to represent the upper eyelid. Similarly, draw a line below the eye to represent lower eyelid. Draw eyebrow above the eye, slightly curved line. Let's start a bit above the inner corner of the eye and extend outwards. Here I'm using a micron pen for the inking, and it's optional. If you don't want to ink it, just make sure to draw the lines much darker than this. Then add eyelashes. Draw short curved lines and always remember that the upper eyelashes are always thicker than the lower ones. So once we are done, I'm going to use kneadable eraser to get rid of all lead. Now let's start the shading part. Shade the iris, leaving the highlights to create depth. Gradually shade from the upper part of the iris. Here I'm using makeup brush for blending. You can use blending stump or cotton buds as well, and I'm using 8B for the dark areas. Similarly, shade the entire part of the eye. You can add these straight lines if you want more serious look. And in the last, we will add some highlights. And you're done with your drawing. I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. Let me know in the comments on what topic should I make the next tutorial on. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming tutorials like this. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.